Mama kwa agbogboshi. Why dem metuma kwa agbogboshi? Ni scout ko ni shopping na. Opi onko melcom another onko mall no ko dini kwa. Because pineapple more. Ekoto agbogboshi a. There. So because anyma 223 years ago. Me kotum agbogboshi.
Okay.
Mba agbogboshi bedigwa. Why the young girl I start abrabo. Then you kunwa start a life. Ese me moko more na makoto. Makoye shopping. Makoto.
Income markets.
Income market. Sack me turn 100. Wow. Month. It's a total area 5 cities and 2 cities. At the end of the month, about 60 cities. Wow. Into the year mesa ye management.
Wow. It's ma in the young girls now wabana. Ijidi entity na be away nya. Another yahoma swo. Another yabade because there is no way as American make 85% girls no. We be nya dem time na counselor or my sir. On 500 cedis kra na or ya where passes or the co marketer e beto niema bebree but ahomaso akesesem obi e ko more akoto tibisu mi ko bi meka say ko more kra ne say e ka say tomatoes bucket 1000 Ghana kra na obeto but ma so say bi entity ya ye do fair mu e ho na menti ase because won tete ye no ana say meka say tete entity ya mo fair mu no ene no ene ye die obi
menyi kura kasa na meka chende ye pe bibi de ba na mi so okomakola me change Georgina stores okowa os ye dan okomakola me ntuma me no ejuma Standard Chartered Bank
tina mba be bisa
de female accountant
wow
ntina nye de
fisika mu pa
ye ye fisika di ye mfim
but na bi wo ho
yeah very comfortable wow. Me mama yo kan besia for wodi kanto dan so man estate ho ye kwa den ye lane no e bank funkutin bebre na wotete ho
wow
another bank ni na wato no that rent will be ye next door Bank of Ghana ye other Standard Chartered commercial bank or ye bank lane wow na ye wo bank fu na wote ho me mama no ye besia oda woni ntem mo akanya ye mbenyifo no nche de nyi skadam but oye okay a so me mama yo tupa no me mama ochu gari me mama odu 83 na come aba Ghana
upon baby are not see comfortable I mean oye juma bank na ade ni nyina ochi gari
83 ye hu kom
wow
because me mama na ochu gari na nkofo be line no woto otupa no na nkofo be line no woto 83 no J bank no started there oye bakery ono di hwen nti anya nkofo na he na ye febi na ye ti chen anya nkofo me ba girl me sweetheart say to adi man o hwe price tag no bu yedi no beka don pay
wow
say to amano kwa na wo shop was mama me ba girl
otoda he
me first girl na me
where dia he
where is it 28 now
wow
o America tenasi but to adi man no baby so mommy how much is it opedo hu price mommy if it's too expensive I don't want it I'll google the price wow and me management me ban position in management system me bad girl no westy girls and man is can go school o makwa no about the envelope bro asika no wom
wow
and man nyama no do so o ko school me buy ko school o ye me denicho box na wheels wase us mommy come and take that box and bring me ordinary box because obia ne box ye kakraba man kuti mizu no ye odd ntimi ntumi mboyi nti ode ye kofa box ni to smaller box man me oyanyame so ehu de me kadama onye me papa bi kan se mo se ewo bakwase da ese nyimba titi nti doesn't mean do ye me na maye me mama mo ye he nyina we could have decided ye mfa me ban she could have decided that on fa oyanyame inoma because me sister kakraba oyos cotton one no man so e would one ma is not emi oyanyame no ye ndem but ntiti no so oko because me friend she dey man na ntiti no nye ni nyina no ye nkikem
okay
sometimes mpeda me kan sem che na me fa netina me nche na me hwe n'enyim miss you know how much I love you I say yes nti the maximum be catch you babia na tara wo sheko
wow
nye de babia don't overdress one yankofu o de man hu be yebufu so da menya nyina ka che nyina no oti nti mama ken sa mama bi wo no otete ne ban na ne ban on ye de more ye na on nche de Cynthia Morrison perfect da bi bompe na so nyankopon at the right time because emi ye nuanu nyam na me stubborn wo oh me nuanu mo se me benyin
unu anom no
we cool
4 no say aw na epenyin
em na me third
aw na ye third oh okay
on the third
na
full see enyo ezin kakra nti menu anom na me it doesn't mean that na me perfect dabi oyenya keke na memban wo fam no wo fa wo papa ka ho wenyo ezin yeda wenyo ezin but oba mesma ebuaza are very important because in the yehwehene mba na oya no ye mareho semiko social media only me greatest pain wow ahoba hihye obi so cameras ni nyim na penyin na sebis obi ye penyin kakra o why abrewa emi meji 61 meko 62 me ye mpanche meji 70 meji 80 meji 90
wow 61
ona me pe won yankoso ye mbrewa because mbrewa na nyansa wo won tim nti
you can look like
a young person
wow
na ka do obi abrewa nti na eya wona why wow bompe po de yete de ebetume nyin
anya na ebe mi ka de nyankopon emma mi nyini te se o mi kwa na mi nyi before de be 50 something wow
nti memba wa bade me camera na wodi si wanyim na hu mfaso a wonya mi hwade kura pa mi beside nti ne maame wo he ne papa wo he yenyin na yenya menya nkoma me she's my sister and my friend ne papa o friend na onye ntina ho no see esiri nice girls here koyeba mbenyifu pi be kada wo pehen you can decide to follow them if you there enye benyi no show na ejai na akofo fufuru you a nice girl by the time I ever warren na enyi benyifu be 6 7 8 na nyi hona nanto na nyi won nanto wi a enyi benyi na ebe warren no then you go and get a prominent man say that mama enyi papa ma warren in our dem benyi na enyi ni te ho na woko party a ina obi etwemu former boyfriend another one who former boyfriend who kuno nyimo e wo penanyim but wo conscience you will never enjoy the party ebo coffee inti because of that abrabona ya start a year born ye hwe ye hu ye no china wo small girl bi obeka chen parents nyama ye ya wonpe and I listen to it na maka che me kunde eh sana ye keke ma mo former wonpe o sana ye dey mo former so I call my children and say this is what I just listened to this thing. Does it affect you? Do you like it when I scream? Also something
because Misha Nayas Misha Misma na menua edzin Misma oh de si mama or pen kolas something if you will bebre no ana
me po me pebi aka ho
eh
me bebre ma adopt won me pebi aka ho kora mo fama ya me feel oh me pe stop it why did you put this here stop it come on come and take this from me oh mommy you happy
my wa my
7
bako 7
bin kan
on fa bin kan on the Mrs. M do be kan
mo fama na work wo nyina wo kwa na me yem hihim wow basisi anananum ne baby nti e ba banananum unfortunately won fa ne man chen obi a hwe ne ba
oh ya se monte de tete na ye wo ya nyefo no so ya he
mbesiafon penyin ne ebesia maame
okay
Daniel oye benyin penyin na mbesiafon maame nana ne rajoa na mampra ba ye kakraba na Daniel ye penyin
ya he na
mbesiafon ye 3 na mbesiafon ye 4
menyinfo ye 4
mbesiafon ye 4 na mbenyinfo ye 3 Daniel Junior and then Nana wow.
You are blessed. Sis, Mama, but you need my soon crave my messing about who says here. I know. Sis, but your bremka crave seconds, my me try home brasses here.
I like to touch on the social media bits, no, okay, you know. But now, funny say, I can hide behind the camera. To me, I am a hubia, but when they say social media, no, the internet doesn't forget. You might decide to delete it, or be a screenshot it, so you should learn to be private. And you be an educator to social media, because nowadays, no, so interviewer. They check it. Yes. Now, so called US they request for your account, your social media account. Last me feel almost a me financial so. They check everything. Into so also there you just bad mad people or be a winning need that you just have bad opinions about people. It's bad. Yes, I can say who read a phone son, na wash one son. Because oh yeah no and Colano so the be brabe you. Penny movie a winning no man penny be a what bonny brave be no walk of fun. Oh
yeah, marry who baby ibo internet and for first party na says but says yeah
because when you tia na ya tete wa you should know same for what yenka
ube kom kra na sa nipa no ne papa ye shofo ne mama ye shofo na ni petitru pa oni fi but one thing
one
oh ya semo
obi so you need not to trend on obi your friends saying image. Because once a image reputation it is feathers. So what scatter you can't go back to pick them one by one. Until no obi hard end reputation, you know, don't just use one day to just talk bad about it. About what radio so kronya as a interview akwenya. Some of bekani na anya papa. There been comfort you and sometimes they are comfort is a listeners ni nim nyansa. Wo kasa nyansa mu tasin ba dream be mo so ka no so say no si fu atete ne mma no. She is conscious about so atete ne mba. It wo ya wo fu an physical pain so ani so bebre na nja wo ba wora.
Nyankopon sha wate counselor. Mami, me samra so seconds na ye ntwa ye homra. Wakoye politician. Ni party true e wo man mu. Ye na wabusua na say me nuano me wo manetia. Otum say bi wo no me ma hwom. Omutimi di hu yaw esudi areho. Bebre kura me sure say e ka kire say mami ade na wo resign and say mami ade na wo hu. Eya na sen na wo hu no. Odaroma wakoye politician.
Me da see. Ma on my own koye, you know, something on shed and how it's your opponents will talk, but that, like I'm saying, you be criticized in politics, even among ourselves, you be criticized. But a whole back is not necessary. And my children watch me. They watch me. They see what I do, and they can deduce. Me wo radio do na me kasa. Radio and internet, so American. It will be there forever.
Yeah.
Make a election. My member what time one yem shishin one ye. Under some time in Kofu ye day or assassinate him.
Okay.
Some member need to honor eco campaign. What did they try to? Those things and we're worried. But like what kind of one mommy, they know it's not true. So none of them is one my in-laws. Nobody want to do this, and they still around and all those things. But like what kind of Cynthia Morrison, why are they? Or independence. It's why the independence or they're miracle. Those ones you can talk about it. But I have my reason for going. But apart from that, is what will you say that I've done? In American. Like more ministry. Man know how I doing there's a school feeding for one scam bay and way did me was can on bamo. Sike beyond bamo. You go straight to from Bank of Ghana. You know, call give a give someone over why in one scasaman. But one junior when they be a scan from one of my minute and call those ones they will talk. But apart from that, what else will you say? Let's can so only mo tea.
But mammy, mean chawano. I didn't see in 2024 no adaroma election wenya. I still independent
2024. Oh, on how seriously. Wow. I'm here and I'm telling you. Share politics, I'm American. Abrabon, Yeruboa, Yehunde Ochina Biwo. Mitaway say, if from them in Bra, says, set you trap a mum. In a me ben and me bought trap in him. Maybe a interview in the academy, maybe anything. I'll be my Cynthia Morrison. Music
when you're doing.
Pa me show because nyen tokwa no yen yodin enwodin fa ye wojuma fa police ka fa hwa won ba ye those are the things since here me fi ha na me do fi me the first place I will enter is my kitchen me for hall me for kitchen e baba na me just stove me ya me connect
sorry na nekwasi
me fi sorry ya me do fi na per straight me ko kitchen me ko hwa me connect ba na obedi man na me nu na ban man, I'm me bathroom, man, I'm me toilet. I bet I'm in 10 years, I'm by my bedroom. Da.
Wow.
Nobody comes to my bedroom apart from me. Wow. Nobody. It's my toilet or then with the man, I'm man, I'm me bathroom. Ebana me the foam na me paper me dem foam me wear foam me to me the order direct a carpeting so. Wow. Man, I'm me a strong woman, man, me go na my select is vegetables, I mean tombe me ban. Fish I mean tombe me ban. Me wear my ban na my 7. Or they me feeding, no me feeding. Wow. But it doesn't mean they betum a trample upon me. Elections and see, I mean, imagine me back a politics once.
Basically, baby, so they to me, how they you couldn't ban, now they be here, then part in your time for politics.
No coins on number 1. Okay. Me any breakfast, me any lunch, me any mukunizma. Breakfast is in me about penny or Stella. My change to try fruits and vegetables, but to try crampona. me was so kwa mutum me add on in the day me be we twetwe bibia makasa na mabetos ni bibia mza command politics in inyama bebre cordra mampe na mpanyimfu nobody addressed it na me sidama me ye Nyemredem mamu ehu de
na obi mama yes oni me ma ni sie ni wa parliament wa
mama we hu de nye obi na wo dey rough nti oni aye wi sisi a wo se ye ka bom nti
okay NDC na MPP na ka bom
there be MPP fu no ye ka bom oh just sisi a ye ka bom na ya rebuilding empire
oh okay
nti sisi a member ka MPP one negative bia wo nti ona hwehwa enya
okay so still we jina wo MP no
me ye MPP ni full na che me man ko baby a wo
okay
me ko independent wie ye nkoto aban nche ehun de honorable Harry Nadris was called the wo yi hen fi parliament because ye ko independent it is ye ko independent then you forfeit your rights as a member of the party that sent you to parliament nti no ye de wo yi hen film ina Right Reverend Alban Babin obeka de wo yi hen film na afenyoma ken hen lead also call court na Supreme Court is ye ko independent kwa ye still members of the party na ye na party ye press conference na wo firm na me beginem o ma me mic na me ka say dem ye even though me ko independent me still MPP
okay
inti me wi na beka de yi me film Supreme Court academic kan e yi me film onye because what one antem me won to me grant interview ma nti me ka ho na mom on na was support man na was suspend ho but see ampo wa afro bia back
okay
nti me be kan MPP asem wo ha
okay
MPP me be kan asem so on na e boy be united front na campaign nti on na
mami
yes darling
e ba chawa mi twa me ho adaro maso mami na mi twa me ho brasisia says wa chawa ba emza for yenya bo for krato ye brasisia
hello your friend is of mami na Hayford me yen century Messiah actress and in yuma who do pee keka ho and na madwuma dinti mapo me den ho hia me papa na se ban mapo me den ho dia enu ane Jifax mixture kunche Jifax mixture nti mitimi gina pabo atenten so chese Jifax mama your best mu ankasa me nia be ma ebema wo so wa ye be mama pa Cynthia meji Jifax mixture tumpre kopani say eduro no hote ye dia afa abafu nimdie kwanso eni fidie won suom na aye ne friendship kroje ye nu nti ma ye resade enu ane Jifax mixture na momitie enye ma penfo oba a o ma akwala nofo ana akwala a onyanya emfie dumienu
FDA ahwehwe saa edwadie nkrato yi mu agye atum se eye
Jifax mixture pa
everything for me more kwaba bi me the mobile experiences in life jumedi a wani go so yi enase enkobium efama boafo wona so mase nyina papa go furniture Jifax mixture angel beverages kwajo shoes I cute cat palo and shasha hair nyami jramo in fact mo ya de ma ne yefudodo madam asepa yento aso nene no so na ya se de yesi a yeyo sweet mommy eba no emma a wo mo politics ni mu a odaro mani die kwan so a sen na hu no because asatem didie no yes too much woni so mo nyina na omutimi standing atem didie ni anim guase na na
ebi ohokra wo mba kra na wo kumbeka chode jai
yes
wo mba na wo kumbeka chode jai because insult in the door so do ebi ho ebi ho ayi ho emi dey no kra na me ka cho bebre na me hu ebi am constituency ma me hu anyi de bia wo opponent opera be contest wo ne nkofo no be propaganda na da menya man
okay
and fortunately nye de menya any serious accusation bia merit kakra wo mu nye me bebre ho ayi dey explain me anse dey nya dem experience ni bebre no corpa means apart from dey bia constituency e will be pede na the common fund what the man one fan be day those things you would hear and maybe if you explain they will understand because I mean me too much na national television makade common fund one city po nyu amakojida odi ejuma won fanye day mo fanye dem because common fund onya meza Onye mi do score de wodi ejuma menyo kasa meti osisi national television America kasa ejuma contractor ya ni sika nso na miss one for me common fund na man on fanye.
Wow.
430,000 430 something thousand meti national television do one for ntia contractor ne kawo oye kissing de wontu ya kawo meanwhile sika ne da ho mami sika na mezi ma contractor nti eba me
abade na record so de menyaman
onu pose Nipa ni nyi no we anu nti e kan but I can say it because it's a fact.
Okay.
Reason is it mean to me jana men kan man e bia nipa no so nya dem reason ni nti. But what I'm saying is that
also there can because dem ko ni na kan ho na kro no entimi nkoso e kro no.
Nya de sika nso afọ sika no da ho. No yes sika me jai to my account ansa na me fido because
o yes sika wotumi da ya de
but the contractor needed the money because we here AstroTurf man was enya krom na we here park drain kesi bi wo nti su to no yira no aba park no do nti we here wi na su to kesi no che de onya de ebotumi use na obesa yintem ti no ida assembly na we drain na assembly fus was woni ska wo de be drain meanwhile we be carpet so if park no do nti no che de wontumi nya hwe wo Victoria Park ho na krom fu no so ho won ta se de assembly so nyi ska mo nyi manye MP no do hwemo wo ye nti na dede ne do so ti menye nananom kase na nananom reka de o de wo ye de mi drain na mpa so na me betu kwan and menye contractor ne kase no so on hye de nya sika on fine onyi ska o de be ye nti nchi de ko hwe ska man ko di loan wo banka interest wo do nti no de man kasa me hwe sika na me de ma contractor no de ye nti o ka ji sika no assembly a no the miss scam
wow
which I do like Warrior police station me but to NDC one time no Warrior police station when we assembly yiska man me bo contractor ne bo sade on fanye because no nya da measure chen
mami but wow personal money
mami personal money
me me no way di ye kura ukoto dream bo so ya asen
da bi Inti oye even though oye NDC project was starting oye police station oye crown na wo here police station onye individual no here police station ana MPP na wo here police station inti you so bandem no oye dem hwe scam ho na wo ye na otua and it's been over a year it's like happen nye de sika nda ho sika nda ho inti na miss me go into details mama one time kakra bi say still sika na mba only the more personal me call it personal because any time me man he wonya krom kasai me ti radio do me to maka me nyane kasai o obisam na me ka chende since amamba akwambon because me ba na ho no de wotu eska wa around that ebia na me behave fine nti na mamban nti ede nti ohwe nti na me kada me peda me into details no send onu nukum onu so na me ho na me diska na ho na wo de ma contractor ma fa share contractor ni sem okukuam me the contractor will open obi a wo ho nti kro ni de obi enyim a wo de wo di contractor ni scam na ode mam nti ahemfo ne hwe waka nti me shada nko into details
nti na cheda enyi won di ni ye
oh yes of course
it be sana stand bi
oh onu podi menjwe ne ho
but edwene ho de be stand bi ma ye sure de wo boto ama
oh me se menjwe ne ho kra nti me pada mu go that agent
oye too much stress for another if
you see
wana ipede home
as for stress is no kwanyi me catch your day ebi etinechira you see differently me catch your day me stress than me boa
okay wow
no seriously I mean I don't mean to me and me yo
but na won call for wo boa o ntina anya stress no
me won call for wo boa financial stress me manche me was ka bebre me to my more than I did because sika was common financial and doso insi se menya meka de sika anya de manka se bia mikoto kum sika bi ebenya nkofo obeboa to do other things and I would love it but more than me ye echo aguna west ye won finfin aguna east wo go more central ejuma kun isikuma do bin oyetwa won yeshia echo you see the difference ebe homa Cynthia Morrison ye you know ekwana wa say wo go more central po nam da was Cynthia Morrison da mukoni on be so anya mukwan inti very proud of myself for what I did especially me fi ho me fi ho the love that they had for me and the household name that I couch for myself
so is it because of daddy
efinya kro me kun fi abodom when
you see what about
me wo schools wo ho inti whatever I am ye bia me kun inti na me ya hye na nyimnyam
oh wow
oh yes and I have other two projects I may be me ya for the years.
Okay, mami, abadintina ifri Elmina. Na entumi anye bibi special ho. na baby a husband me papa oye ukun o free no mum na because of odra e woman intino e try there be supporting krunkura or ho nyina
ehu de enye na kasa wo hen wakra
okay
nti onya dza eheda ko wukom na me nana no man whatna secondary
oh
me nana be me sister pain first born wo was secondary
okay
me mama wo was secondary
okay
nti secondary ni yet so even though you feed nani whatna secondary na me mama ba tena
okay
na e kotena dan so man for a very long time so man na me to abansa
mama up
before na me in school first
oh okay
me a blossom play school dan so man
me a politics
na me dabi
me a politician
no me be a politician but me share yan hwe
oh really
in say you scan na za politics is here politics na da hwe umba na da hwe nkrofo me ti wo dey under me frame driver or dey momo man nkrofo so you help people so
okay so school no eboa no na aboa everything
in the me project me beautiful event center me you see it on your event center keke but then me event me train girls
okay
before about worry crampon say baba your wedding wo ho dem me cho me sa wonu eti ban me sa wo war me sa be ma wukuna ye happy me sa be se wu fie how to make love in bed nkofu bebre wonyi me sa wo war mpo nti those things I want to train them before they marry.
How to make
how make your husband happy in bed you know
how to make love in bed
I
didn't they say come wala de ho abo eti na ma ma o ma 7 I didn't de ma na che de nyim ye pa but I didn't
yes anye ni yes oba ma okuna ye board oba ma okuna ko out so dey ye not na
sister is na den
ye be kire ho ni nyina
oh ma where the otimu say remember one motion one more yes to say you Stefan you sound guy no just say
Stefan be wedding na bra when you
fresh me cameraman Richie Eddie camera sola mama confused
one bra because auntie Tini here okwawara problems wo ho
okay.
Into both into I'm going to do something very beautiful for you.
I can na this time around our riguo no edos no wo
ebi also
nye romantic
ebi nye romantic ebi so wo ho anye romantic nkotin na won ye obi wo ho a ehu social media kan
okay
what shall warn with TV no do what you know na anya awara onim da awara na he na bie nyina na o dey invest into the marriage na marriage or your marriage or there yes such that who can benyin botum benyin be no matter what you do he can still go out but walk out he should remember that he has somebody at home because benyin bo wa e ne den obeko but at least say a man the me welcoming attitude will feel no you do a loving wife or a responsible wife be see be fije krom beba we see no biti ho ni lingerie nye bibi obeten off because ma ohu outside ni nyina obefia obehu ho a o ma benyin no ponko nti benyin bo so ha e ye den kro obeko but okokora mpa obeba because penyifu pi wa odu baby a wa ko wo ho no so no wife no wife
okay
benyin bo ha o he o tede den obeka cho den girl ni wo entumi yin ne wife rough nti I want my girls to be that type of wife
wow
say in case the benyin no po on ye faithful to you no ba kokora po na he still remember because me wan yankofum benyimfo a ogudu wo chase girls but na ye there's so much respect and everything na ye wo bro ho so there's no way oba fa na ye nature nti either way at least e wo besian ye wo part as a wife but me ye center na me training besiafo no koti on na bie nyina ye be mo hono ntitien ansa na wawara na besiafo bu ho so a inde member benyifo they cook in the kitchen o sende inde say lawyer na wo yesu ye teacher and or nurse a
ekwabroche mpa mo ho
obi anu anti why the Ghana kuti ya yende besia no kuti no benua na besia
susu noa
but honestly nche dem besiafo ye nje adwuma nyina ma benyifo because besiebo e man dem opportunity na ni nyina akoye na no benyin na se wa bampu wo be wo fufu wo me ka banku no na se oti wo no wo hwe nti how wa ye be na how ye betumi accommodate yen mother-in-laws and sister-in-laws de bia ma meka chen besiafo nye de wukun ansa na ebo warane no wo maami o nuanom onyim ho na ansa na obo ewo
okay
nti onyim ho na ansa na obo ewo entumi ngini nyina mbodo te dem a oye wankuti nti nobody should come in dabi
okay
nti say we are able to accommodate your mother-in-law or your hostel there then kwanya me be kwa ma
okay
because awani bebre o wa Besafon go through a lot of stress. Inti wabre, inti how many attitudes no mess out. Ne benyifun bebre so go through financial stress. Besia no wiska kwa o yida. Ne benyine no koti no this kind of dress. Ne benyine no hu. Inti ye train one there. Only being in our car boom na wetum wa ma waran aife.
How many years in your
Men kanchiro. Me base man anniversary na say I may invite you.
Ye pede ye hunde bia mama ni ye papa tena bia be 20 years, 30 years, 40 years. Ye pede ye.
Me your papa tena 30 years. December 19th. Because me 30th anniversary.
19th December.
Yes.
2025 year.
Yeah.
30 years anniversary.
Yanku ye ham ye hwio. Ye today obi na nyanku obi na nunua.
It's papa for which you.
Only the mean to me but minim don ye. But oye nyim penti miss yes. Miss on mean to me but them is minim don ye. He's such a wonderful, he's such a loving husband, he's everything. Because I also do same. Inti edi e kadehwe mami no kuni today into eda me kuni yedama or you wrong. Abadi na usuzi ba table. Abadi na iziba table. Nataro shed you look at it. I mean underwear, mission underwear, mission bibia, ni shoe obeshe, nataro obeshe, ni toothbrush, make sure the toothbrush ni change, ni paste obe use, ni cologne obe use, ni aba everything I look at it, edi bana obedi, or dessert and nyene bon komo. Inti mo farman they see it. Member one who they ham one day puda. Say who they any problem you be gang up against him, another also be gang up against me. Into on yen tokwa.
Yeah.
Maybe boys me a Chelsea because ne papa a Chelsea. I mean me a Manchester and me Manchester for inti da minya man neighbor who feel the Chelsea Manchester. And then also said that be Chelsea for ball. Me ti de wo feel Chelsea wash a 5 for said. And me so come on Manchester. So that is the kind of thing. Inti my fear denti mo fama na kasa so we nwaje. And you yourself will be happy. Me ma wo nyan kuntu fu da wo kuni ye dey inti wo so ye dey.
Mushiem why make say MP and a politician. NDC ni MPP mushiem e o parliamentar we kasa na we kasa meka se ku for ku MPP kasa na NDC so kasa ya na experience no senate because that question we dey refie because yes to kwa nyine to me see blows
so we debater but I must tell you me who why me fifie na mako parliament
okay
na mako kun
okay
for what.
Okay.
Why yankufu yenu no bia eche na
je. It's to ye hu hon. Social media internet.
It's kwa ye betumi aka ye e bia ye to aba for speaker na ntokwesi na what else e bia warrior abadi bi no ye kwen.
Oh sometimes onya dey bia more to aba but ye hu dey aba mo to aba na ewie no kra na still mo ko parliament mutumo.
Oh heated argument because of debates in ebia we pedo pass
into necessary there. Se mo ye bibi dem a o se de oba abontin e ba
because cameras were on putting the on one of the abontin because every station be our parliament.
Yeah.
Okay.
TV stations in ya sana bibi. In time implementing you. Or outside the phone we be tipo and they breeze wo ho ansana. But we are friends, we are brothers and sisters.
Not just say NDC ni MPP mu share parliament am ye namfo.
Ye Muntala is my good friend. Oh we miss me yare.
Wow.
Me to man call oi nchede me yare dem na me yejuma nchede me yare me bedem pe mo bie hu dem me yare wo fie ho so ma ade wo sie won kwa me to man hwe
so akwai politician aturenchem ya osi ihu ne dey fande nyame fa dem mba o okofa wo ho a mama experience ne pede nye bo ne tofa
is a sad story timiti do bitie negative bibi keka na me boye fu o send them plane in mama je to kwana as a minister me je to kwana me za ko tamale me za ko takwadi girls in one incident be me za ko tamale akoye djuma me za ko Kumasi be twice or thrice nyina me ko ye djuma nti ebu hopa awu na wukru a wotimpo why be 4 another 5 because your assignment or there kono nyime ya nti eza ko nti could have been anybody. Yes. It could have been anybody. An accident is it. What to me see? Me sure money boama. Me share the personal leader.
Wow.
Menyini share one-on-one da. But I just like him because my mates will be a kind of obuadi. Na mates ne kase cry. His calm demeanor. It's all will be a me penasem. Mr. Sapon, mukuna ni nyanko pa. Emi me shade nyimen. Mukuna nyanko pa. Mizi me nyimen. Muntala ye me nyanko. Osi Nchodo worry me is a small boy like you. Also, okay, now I hear you have a beautiful daughter. I'll marry her. Inti menyini did the man go home. Mama in-law me so go where you ne go. Inti unknown. Check out today shock. Nama, mama me year first simple day. What's a muntaka. Them na meeting first. Do ye muntaka. Muntaka so na menyini ko Pan Africa. Inti ye kwa ezizi bomo ye me nu onu put your friend Mamle. Inti onu kuti no wo your friend Mamle no who ka Mamle. Menyini ye very 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 fine. Bibi na mental sa me koni nchen intimate do yo onron ono ma me yere kran sana me beti onwona wo
so ma asem ni si no mpocho etuma afre his excellency
abi menyine number me friend oh nche ono pozo bi a wish na yinti o Ghana for bi aka do friend and channel calls baby brave me friend so first if your friend then vice no me nyanko menyine kwa sorry but ono bo me friend me feel there na your friend then o mani bo amane ye no so okọ Accra girls miss make Accra girls into old students some the manana old students for yebeko yebe shada ye kochiani as a group ni epeden nyama ko form kakra nti that's it it's a sad thing onye do biazi politics it can happen to anybody.
Okay, so ma my final question mo election where year mo beko akoyi o da be February
what's the 31st January
31st January. Okay, so even there, your papa Dr. Mahmoud Baumia no befa. Another even there, your papa Kennedy and
Impera make one some crowd.
Impera can one some. Into your trend.
And me miss ye internal election and ye did what radio do.
Okay.
Ona what to aban will form home. Okay, young cook for money in one cocasa. On a year, you any problem because
remember Miss Cynthia Morrison. I say more and I will be decided when I'm better from Swaba. It's more for more. More for one train. Yeah, wow. Okay, mama. Nyankopon won shiraw. See it won suffer well by. But you remember how be na what can find out. It says if I join some I can na bonnet off na yeah.
So what ye na wo hwe na we ye oba e chese winyan kranhye so we oba so you can also aspire to greatness enye be man kwa na etimi MP wa kire say it's hard work and perseverance and wetimi edu baby a wedui or start here no oye school oye niama bebre into the BBA sineni so oye sendwuma ni na so nto ne ebusua entry ohwe ni kunu ye ni kunu bedi bibia so ye nti if we career woman na say destroy your family
dem no na ni bedroom cleaning twitwi na dwa ye ni ade nyina
wo ye career na say jawu fie don't focus so much on your career and leave your family your husband your children
kakra bibiri na nya post kakra ofaka ye house girls be 4 3 house me bibia house boys just say hey ninsan ka ni nan
no kwa na wo ba ni isuan once a psychology matter say we your children learn from wo into your ba na we active we adwuma wo to me aspire to be great your children will also aspire to be great into we your ba bon ho so ye bibi ni okay fatu ho fo na tete wo maye so wo kunu ye also be center me okay no many ajepa because okay no na che say premarital counseling is very important. The brain nye futu asa wawari na wawari no si wo ba wari am chese wo
house girls ni bebre mi ntwa no bebre na omo na omo hwehwe mu kunu enti sa wo kona sa wo kunu ko yensi e kire a wo house girl ko si ukun echi na massage na one ne ko da na bibi ko si a
na yes sir
mama to 30 years there is no way as any mama e kasa no obetimi nya ne kun hu kwan because o ma unra ne bedroom o ma unra ne chese ne washroom ni kuna dia no ma wonye onu ade for boys akwa no akwa da bi se be ma na yo ba for boys house helps ni bebere na wonye
akwa e kaji
what no yes ani ma na wonim se nkene comment mi anware 30 years and MPs ni bebere and celebrities ni bebere and titrufo bebere aware no enche because of say sani ma we here
inti no ehu hia no okan no so otumi ko makola tumi ko dwom ekototo ne niama that is management.
Yes,
you need to manage your resources. Resource economics say we have scarce resources. Sikane no so niama ndo so manage it. And yes when you kakenti mpese midi wo kwa de obi o wanye mo no okoto niama no ono kwa de onu aduane oda na wedi nti nia wey na can we gidi say we sua nia mefiri mo your ba who say you can also aspire to be great 61 years the world fair and she's doing great things
yes now what is learning from you here no yeah ni bi no obi te say na yeah say yeah
proud
here first of all proud for no me na me dey kai yeah no me dey call restaurant too yenya 100 cedis a ye de be come market akosonson no aya ne nkakra edi bi asie no akesesem order
so can taste can the top bends you try you know
oh ma make sure the restaurants make sure don't go out
okay
enjoy yourself
but at least
you can go on vacation do whatever you want to do it doesn't mean that you're stingy there and enjoy
wow
but or you're there economical I travel out. I travel with the family. We go and enjoy ourselves. Can go to restaurants. Sometimes Sunday evening, you go and eat in the restaurant. Only each other may enjoy. That is not what I'm saying. But there be, but or your day management because I won't any who kuneti ban. Yeah. Ne shefie ye. Ne se kaden de minti when you ban yempo. Benyin upon on your beko.
Oh wow.
But me and yen habit today. They be or there or they ban be ban ebedi. In it ban outside restaurant it's banning. It be ye, but the book any minyama oko it's banning. Into who consoling in the so they make sure they are healthy. Into one casa banana vegetables at toss a manashe needs banizima. Or you're fine.
I'm praying beside Mubeye Yamamu di brainy de ma a year or mine sika and a ditcha business class and I said flights, you know, because
depend on what you're
doing. Friend is in passport,
diplomatic.
Inyo international day to me them diplomatic and mamono. As I was on the ticket, you know,
Elkaye Jumaza, a ban over small but a ticket. Okay, one castle two kwanza, one echo baby. Oh. I mean, be a minister, man, na bani fieda. Manji minister pay. Manji a bani driver, manja a bani cook, manja a bani garden boy, manja a bani shimiti me fieda.
No,
depending on baby, but I mean, I did not think Sibu how true it is because Metina mami fee, manja a bani. The only thing I mean you see a bani car because ministry in waka. I down in Ezeko. It's to come because it's why would the call. Na bibi ko so baby so that why that bandage no one the man.
It's the car no. Mutumi jibi ma mom manso.
Me we cry to what this you.
Wow, good ma.
Me ba kran to me drive me car no I drive a buy na car. Me car kra me ban drive.
Wow.
Mama warning. Me ban na car na me di bay no no mo car.
Okay.
E me car. Me kun car. Yam ban drive.
Land Cruiser na Prado.
Enyi neto because enter Land Cruiser then to Land Cruiser. Ezo kwan. Se start here Jumane to Land Cruiser na drive eto Benz na drive Benz endu Benson use Honda na Peugeot nkakreman
nyamisha
until there
mama me pacho obeye politician no what me atom pabwa ebia eye 800 cedis da
800 cedis
Ghana cedis not dollars
$800 coming to me shakwa me na be yefim
na 800 maybe 1,500
oh yeah
from 1,000 going
yeah na ma po me tan to me to consume me kra me hu ne price tag and some the chill
because in pabo for parents na ma dwena aba
me so me ko sale me ko mo aye sale
oh okay sale no
it's sale no what do na to
oh okay mama mpocho nsema ya kan nyina my final ways na mpocho bia se bibi o hopede
oh mama kan de it's them mo bi sam mpobo na sam de mpobo bi o ho a or 2,000 or if on a whisker bottom on enchantment
okay
or 5,000 you work but or they modest in everything na dibu anabu yezin kesimpo or your pressure po bi anka rencho mo sha dan yezin na woka but my mebe kan dem o hia me kese on any social media and the young girls and boys if a camera is winyim o man penyin ahye na roba minister bi ahye na roba penyin bi ahye wow age group mpo onye decent se nyipa na ya de na pede kan e wo right dey butuma kana kan ye but roba shishedi on fanye nko bebia it's something that me man cho na wo yempo menya ho numbers one on one na my friend one nti yenhwe ye hu ye ne yembo yembre o yenyame no ma Cynthia Morrison ho ye fe I didn't participate in anything yankopon no yem dem nti nyame na me ye na obi no nya fe a emi mo school me ka che me teachers me nkada abofre no ye fe penyanko ne papa wo ska penyanko nyimpa no ye fe enyi machi no bodu nyimpa ne papa enyi ska na enyi machi no bodu enyina ye hu ye nyimpa nyame abohen na ye ntina ye wasomdwe me da ase nyame hye enyina
mama wo social media handles and enyi so nyibi
enhye dan ye
enyi active edwen ho pacho me da ase says pacho of telephone number na yenda mama ase na fe yen sorry so
My number, so Uko social media counselor perfect 0243 28 37 84.
Okay. Nyamisha. Sweet mommy. Yes, a me sorry na me sign bed that was na dear yes and me chi me da sorry. Mama Nyankopon won shroud.
Amen.
Nyamin shroud. Nyamin shroud. Nyamin shroud.
Amen.
Simple. Ye to nsa frɛ o. O se there be me bay. De wo fruit dua pa na ye piano enti me ba be support me bay. Nyankopon won shroud. Ya no other me producer and so ase ama me. Ni crew ni nyina. Mama Nyamin shroud. That's sis. That was shroud. Said I need that to nsa frɛ ho ba. Chia was be what? Hey mama. Jam papa mami you. Jam papa mami you.
My darling husband Gladys Morrison, I love you. Oba so chiao. Na membere nyina mi chie ho nyina nya mi hya ho.
Amen. Ebusia aha na bre no be makwan ne de dwumadie no ye de esi Nyankopon won koso. Na wonya okese wo ma nkwatentene ahodene. Wo ma pade ye nyina nya yi na kai se du kwasi ada mesrew. Experiences in life. O how ben na to wani adaho amane be na ukomu a ene wani adaho no kai se kwasi ada nwumre 7 pepepepe ye de ahhehye so Nyankopon koso hye dasane ebesan hye.